What up everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to be using a soap bar. Now make sure it's an all-purpose soap bar. In today's video I'm going to be using the Sunlight brand because I particularly love that brand. Then you're going to need a grater. Now you can use any grater that you have at home, all of them work just fine. Then you're going to need a mixing bowl. Please use something that is heat resistant because you're going to be using hot water. Then food flavor, you need food flavor, or if you have essential oils, whichever one, but I'm going to be using the strawberry flavor. Now I'm going to be using a dispenser, which is my former old lotion, body lotion. I don't want to dispose of it because it's plastic, and being conscious of the environment and all of that, so you can use one of your old body lotions to do this. So let's get into it. Now before you start the experiment that we're going to do today, you want to put hot water on fire because we're going to be using both hot water and cold water. So ensure that you already have water boiling. So the first thing we will do is to start grating the soap bar. Okay, and there are two faces. There's a smaller side, there's a larger side. I will start with the larger side, but I would actually advise you to use the smaller side. Okay, just grate away. I'm going to grate to like half of the soap bar. Now depending on how soapy you want your hand wash to be, if you want it to be something really soapy, I would advise you to use the whole bar. But if you want it to just be minimal like what I did, you can use it up to half. So you can see the differences between the sides of the grating. I would advise honestly that you use the smaller size because you want everything to dissolve in the hot water. You're going to be mixing this with hot water. So I'll switch over now to the small side. Now I've shredded up to half of the soap bar. My next step is going to be to pour the boiling water into this bowl and stir and ensure that everything, all of these shavings, melts extremely well into the hot water, so everything will become a liquid. I've popped the hot fluid now. Now what I'm going to do is to stir and ensure that every single clump is dissolved in this. Now just for stirring sake, you can always add flavor. You can add, if you do not have essential oils, it's alright, you can add food flavoring. The food flavoring, especially this brand, Foster Clark's, it's actually quite strong. So you can add food flavoring to it. But if you have essential oils, please use your essential oil. So I'm going to add this to it just to give it a bit of flavoring. I know it looks like I drank it. Don't worry, I didn't. I was just trying to smell it, and the strawberry smell is actually flowing completely through it. It is very strong. So the next step now is to pour cool water. Now there are two options. You can either leave it overnight and let it cool by itself, or you can add cold water just to balance it out and make it ready for use immediately. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be pouring hot water to it. Also, you can measure out how soapy it is by putting your hand there. As you can see, my hand is quite soapy already, so I know that this is the perfect combination for me. Now I'm going to pour the cold water just to cool the mixture down a bit. And voila! Your liquid hand soap is actually ready. So what you need to do next is to pour it into your dispensing bottle. And so that's what I'm going to do now. That's what we've done. Look at that. Look at that, you still have a really soapy one actually, and the smell is really amazing, like the strawberry smell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.